y'all, it's your girl Tassja. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I know I've been on like a hiatus for a month. I've been super busy, been working non-stop, and today is finally the day that I got a break to do a video, and plus my ring light was broken. Today's video is my everyday makeup slash the makeup for a girl that don't know what she's doing slash the makeup for the girl that's just getting into makeup slash the beginner friendly makeup slash I just want to look kind of put together today makeup tutorial. And this is what I got. This is my everyday makeup. This is also step one of my foundation routine, if anybody ever wanted to know. And yeah, I don't really have much to say for this intro, but you know, to click that like button, click the subscribe button, share this video to who? To your mama, to your cousin them, to your grandmama them, to your ex-boyfriend, his new boo, her best friend, your old best friend, your new best friend, to everybody, to anybody. Just share this video. And you know, yeah, that's all I gotta say for the intro. So keep watching, and yeah.
I'm that bitch in my city. Ain't no hoe fucking with me. Got the cold like Da Vinci. Go to sleep in Da Vinci.
Okay, you guys, so I haven't posted in a minute, and I do apologize, but the girl has been busy. But there's gonna be like 3 videos back to back. Okay, so step 1 in this everyday no makeup look. This isn't my everyday look because I don't wear makeup every day, but when I want to do something, this is what I do. So excuse the fact that my eyebrows are not done or anything, but whatever. I'm going to use this FENTY brow pencil. I'm going to use this pencil, and then I'm going to go on top with a powder. So step 1, do your eyebrows. Oh, and I just want to say, excuse these breakouts on my face because it's that time of the month. And now I'm going to use a light brown powder that's a little darker than the pencil that I just used. The pencil is more on the ashy side, and this powder is more on the red side, brown, red, mahogany, whatever. And then after that, I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna use this eyebrow comb to blend the front of my brows because I don't know where my spoolie is. Dang, this rough. God, dog. Now I'm gonna use this concealer. What is this company? I'm going to use this concealer by Black Radiance in medium to deep. I think it was like $6. It's from Walmart. Now that I've shaped up my brows, for the most part, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M173 brush to blend out the edges. Now, as you can see, this eyebrow is now thicker than this one. So if your eyebrows are different, just go back in, just go back in with the powder and fix it up. So now that we're done with the brow, we're gonna get to the rest of the face. So I'm using this True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance, and I'm using the light to medium palette because both of these powders are close to my skin tone, or are my skin tone, and they're gonna work for what we need to do. So you're gonna use this Black Radiance True Complexion palette, and if you're my skin tone, use the Sculpt. That's the shade that I use. I'm using this Morphe M536 brush, and I'm placing that underneath my eyes. And notice like how I'm not really sweeping it, I'm patting it because I need it to be where I need it to be at before I get to doing what I need to do. And now that I went underneath my eyes with the sculpt part, I'm going to use the contour part of the palette and go on my nose. And my forehead. We're gonna blend out the rest of the concealer to match our forehead. Now that we have the powder on our face, the highlight part of our face, you're gonna use a bronzer and not a contour palette. Not a contour powder. I don't know if you want to use a contour powder, use one. But right now, I'm going to use the bronzer. I'm using the Fenty bronzer and Mocha Mami on the same Morphe M536 brush. And we're going to go on our contour areas. And then I'm gonna take a face brush and blend all of this out. Now to make everything still kind of look put together, I'm gonna bake some of my face. So I'm using the Fenty face powders, and I'm gonna go down my nose again. I'm gonna go under where we contoured that a little bit. And then after that, I like to get a subtle highlight, a subtle highlight. And right now I'm using the Fenty How Many Carats highlighter, and I'm rubbing it on my middle finger. See that? If you want to see like how it is, like, see, it's giving you enough. Let me give it to y'all from up. See, it's giving you enough, but it's not giving you too much. So this is what we're gonna do first. So we're gonna rub it, and then I've been placing it, lining up with the corner of your eye, and then just give it a little bit, you know? You see that? Ooh. You see that? This is the first time this one showed up on me. We're gonna go back in with our brush and blend it out. And now after that, you know, you gotta get you some clear gloss. I'm using the Too Faced Lip Injections Extreme because I need these lips fuller. Y'all know that. And this, you guys, this is my everyday makeup. It's not a lot to it. I don't really do that much when I do decide to wear makeup. It's either this or it's a full face or it's nothing. Hope you liked it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. we're almost to 1K. So if you sat through this video, then you might as well hit that subscribe button right there, because when I hit 1,000, I might have a giveaway. I mean, if y'all want one, if y'all want a giveaway, I'll do a giveaway. That's all I got. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah.